In this video, we will explore how to use the PDF Forms Filler plugin for Contact Form 7. You will learn how to automatically populate PDF forms using the data entered by users on your website. This plugin enables you to set up automatic filling of your PDF forms, send completed PDF files via email, download them, or view them through a link. It's perfect for automatically populating certificates, applications, contracts, forms, and other PDF documents. In this video, we will learn how to install the plugin, explore its interface, attach PDF files, review available options for PDF attachments, map PDF fields to Contact Form 7 fields, create value mappings, and embed images in a PDF file. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the features of the PDF Forms Filler plugin and be able to set up automatic PDF form filling on your website. Let's start with the plugin installation. In the WordPress admin panel, go to the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type PDF Forms Filler for Contact Form 7 and wait for the results to load. Find the plugin in the list and click the Install button. After the installation is complete, click the Activate button. Make sure that both the Contact Form 7 and PDF Forms Filler for Contact Form 7 plugins are activated. Plugin Interface Overview. The plugin adds a PDF form button to the Contact Form 7 admin interface, as well as a PDF Forms Filler tab where most settings. The Tag Generator interface provides the three main features: the PDF Attachment and Configuration tool, the Field Mapper tool, and the Image Embedding tool. The PDF Attachment and Configuration tool allows you to upload your PDF files and configure their options. The Field Mapper tool allows you to create mappings between your Contact Form 7 fields and PDF fields. When the Contact Form 7 form is submitted by your user, the input data will be filled into your PDF file in accordance with the field mappings created using the Field Mapper tool. The Image Embedding tool allows you to set up an image to be embedded in the PDF file. The image will be downloaded from the URL or retrieved from the file attachment provided by the web form user with the Contact Form 7 field. Attaching PDF files. To attach a PDF file, go to the PDF Form Filler tab and click Attach a PDF file button. Upload a new PDF file or choose an existing one and click Select. When the PDF file is attached, it will appear in the list of attached files. You can attach multiple PDF files. Each file has two buttons. The Options button opens the settings for the file. The Delete button removes the file. Each attached file has a unique ID displayed before its name. This ID is useful for field mapping. Overview of attached file options. Once you have attached the PDF file, you can customize the file settings by clicking the Options button. You can use the Skip option to have the PDF file not be attached when none of its fields are to be filled. Contact Form 7 can send out 2 email messages. It is possible to configure your attachment preferences in the options list. You can also specify if you would like the PDF file to be flattened. This will make the filled PDF form uneditable. The Add Filled PDF Download link to Form Submission Response option allows users to download the filled PDF immediately after submitting the form. The link appears in the success message and remains valid for 1 hour by default. After that, the file is automatically deleted from the server. If needed, the timeout can be adjusted in wp-config file. The Trigger an Automatic Download option enables the filled PDF file to be downloaded automatically as soon as the form is successfully submitted. The Set a Custom File Name option lets you specify a unique name for the filled PDF file when it's attached to emails, downloaded by users, or saved on the server. If no file name is provided, the original one will be used. Mail tags can be included in the file name, and they will be automatically sanitized. With the Save the PDF on the server option, you can store filled PDF files in the WP Content/Uploads directory. To keep file paths unique, mail tags can be used. Mapping PDF fields to Contact Form 7 fields. To enable users to fill out a PDF file, you need to create Contact Form 7 form tags and map them to the fields in the PDF form. The Field Mapper tool section includes two drop-down menus. The Contact Form 7 Field Mail Tags menu lists the fields already existing in the Contact Form 7 form and special Contact Form 7 mail tags. The PDF field menu lists the fields from the attached PDF file. There are several ways to create and map Contact Form 7 form tags to PDF form fields. Let's go over each one. Manual tag creation. You can manually create tags in Contact Form 7 and map them to the fields in the PDF form. Simply add the required tags to your form, then use the Field Mapper tool to link them to the corresponding PDF fields. Use the Add Mapping button to link these fields. After that, you will see a list of mapped Contact Form 7 fields and PDF form fields. Save the changes and add the Contact Form 7 form to a page on your website. When a user fills out the form, their data will automatically populate the corresponding fields in your PDF file. Insert and Link button. Let's look at creating form tags and mapping fields using the Insert and Link button. This method does not require manual tag creation. When a field is selected from the PDF field dropdown, a form tag is automatically generated and displayed below the dropdown. By clicking the Insert and Link button, this tag will be inserted into the Contact Form 7 form and automatically mapped to the selected PDF field. Insert and Link All button. Now, let's review the method for creating form tags and mapping fields using the Insert and Link All button. This method automatically generates form tags for all unmapped PDF fields and links Contact Form 7 fields to their corresponding PDF fields. You can edit the tags after mapping, such as removing unnecessary ones. Once the mapping is removed, the field is displayed in the PDF file list and can be mapped again to the Contact Form 7 tag. Sometimes, the values in Contact Form 7 fields may not match the values in PDF fields. In such cases, the PDF fields will remain empty. PDF Forms Filler resolves this issue by automatically creating value mappings. We will learn how to map values automatically and manually, how to map multiple choice values, how to map values between fields with an uneven number of options, and how to map text field values. Let's see when field values are mapped automatically. Let's assume our PDF form contains a checkbox field named Cashier. We expect it to be filled when the user checks a similar checkbox in the Contact Form 7 form. To achieve this, you need to create a checkbox tag in the Contact Form 7 form and map the fields between Contact Form 7 and the PDF form. Note that an additional line has been added alongside the field mapping. This happens because the checkbox in Contact Form 7 sends the value Cashier, while the PDF form field expects the value Yes. The PDF Form Filler plugin automatically detects the difference between the value expected by the PDF form and the value sent by Contact Form 7. It then creates a mapping between the Cashier value from Contact Form 7 and the Yes value expected by the PDF. Now, when the user checks the checkbox in the contact form, the corresponding field in the PDF form will receive the expected value. Please note that automatic value mapping works only when creating new field mappings. If the tags in the Contact Form 7 form are modified later, the value mappings may need to be reviewed and updated. Let's look at how to map values manually. Using the English field from my PDF document as an example, I will demonstrate how to manually map values. Note that for this checkbox, no value mapping was created because the values of the Contact Form 7 tag and the PDF field are identical. If the checkbox value for the English field in the Contact Form 7 tag is changed, for example, to English language, it will break the field mapping, and the PDF field will not be filled with the correct data. To fix this, you need to create a manual value mapping using the Map Value button and select the appropriate options from the drop-down menus. This process takes just a couple of clicks, and your form will start transferring data correctly. Let's look at how to map values for fields with multiple selections. In Contact Form 7, you can use checkboxes and drop-down menus with multiple selection options. Similarly, PDF forms can also include list fields that allow selecting multiple values. Suppose we have a PDF document with a list field called Availability Days. This field allows selecting multiple days of the week. Using the Insert and Link button, we created a Contact Form 7 tag with multi-selection support and mapped it to the list field in the PDF form. Note that when creating new fields, if the values in the Contact Form 7 tag differ from those expected in the PDF form, value mappings are created automatically, as demonstrated in this example. Now, when a user fills out and submits the form, the linked field in the PDF will be successfully populated with the selected values. In the next example, we'll explore a scenario where a PDF contains multiple checkboxes with different names, and we need to create a single Contact Form 7 radio button and link it to multiple values and map it to several PDF checkbox fields. In our PDF form, there is a rating section consisting of 5 separate checkboxes, which is perfect for demonstrating field linking for radio buttons. Let's say we want the user to leave a rating from 1 to 5, and this information should be saved in the PDF file. We will set up the Contact Form 7 form so that the user can only select one value corresponding to the number of stars. Now we need to link each value from the Contact Form 7 stars field to the corresponding values in the PDF form. At this point, if the user selects any value in the stars tag, for example, 1 star, only the star 1 field in the PDF will be checked, corresponding to 1 star. If the user selects a value corresponding to 2 or more stars, we need to make additional settings. For the star 2 field in the PDF, we'll remove the link to the star 1 value. If this is not done, the star 2 field, corresponding to 2 stars, will be filled even if the user selects only 1 star. Similarly, we will remove unnecessary links for all other fields to prevent cross-filling of values. Thus, when the user selects one field in the Contact Form 7 form, multiple fields in the PDF form will be populated. Consider the case in which we have multiple Contact Form 7 checkboxes with different names, and we want to map them all to a single multiple-choice PDF field. Another related case may be that we have data from single or multiple mail tags that we want to fill into a single multiple-choice PDF field. Filling PDF checkbox fields works by having the value being filled match the PDF field's export values. It is not possible to map multiple Contact Form 7 fields to a single PDF field. However, you can make use of mail tags mapping in conjunction with the comma-separated list filling feature to fill a PDF field with multiple values. This function collects values from Contact Form 7 and generates a string that is passed to the PDF form. The comma-separated list filling feature will also allow filling of multiple-choice PDF fields with data from mail tags. Suppose the PDF form has a field called Availability Days that allows selecting multiple days of the week. This field contains abbreviated versions of the days of the week. We will configure the Contact Form 7 form to pass data into the Availability Days field. The checkbox values in Contact Form 7 may differ from the values expected in the PDF form. To achieve this, we can use custom text string from the Contact Form 7 field mail tags list. In the PDF field list, select Availability Days and create a mapping using the Add Mapping button. In the text field, list the Contact Form 7 mail tags for the checkboxes, separated by commas. This will combine all selected values into a comma-separated string for passing into the PDF form. Next, use the Map Value button to match the Contact Form 7 checkbox values with the Availability Days options in the PDF form. Make sure the values in the PDF field match those passed from Contact Form 7. If needed, you can set a fixed value in the mail tags list, separated by commas. For example, replacing the Day 3 tag with Tuesday ensures that this value is always passed to the PDF field, even if the corresponding checkbox is removed from Contact Form 7. Now you know how to link multiple checkboxes in Contact Form 7 to a single multi-select field in a PDF form. In this part of the video, we will learn how to add images to a PDF document using the image embedding tool of the PDF Forms Filler for Contact Form 7 plugin. We will cover the following methods: embedding a user-uploaded image file, embedding an image from a user-provided URL, and embedding an image from a static or dynamic URL. Embedding a user-uploaded image file. Let's look at how to embed an image into a PDF file using the file tag in Contact Form 7. First, create a file tag that allows users to upload their images. In the Image Embedding section, select this tag from the CF7 field mail tags list and specify the PDF page where the image should be placed. Click the Embed Image button. Use the plugin's built-in tools to adjust the image position and size. Once the form is submitted, the uploaded image will be automatically inserted into the designated area of the PDF document. Similarly, you can use the URL form tag. The user will enter an image URL instead of uploading a file from their device. Embedding an image from a static or dynamic URL. You can use any third-party add-ons for Contact Form 7 that provide form tags and return an image URL. By selecting the appropriate option in the CF7 field mail tags list and clicking Embed Image button, you can specify a URL as the source, whether for a static image or a dynamically generated one. With special mail tags, additional data can be passed into the URL, for example, to generate a QR code. How the PDF Forms Filler for Contact Form 7 plugin works. All PDF operations are done using one of the available services. There are two PDF services that can be used. By default, the plugin uses PDF.Ninja API to perform PDF operations. Your PDF files are uploaded and temporarily cached on the API server, then filled on demand and downloaded back to your web server before being attached to Contact Form 7 email messages. There is also an add-on plugin available for enterprise users who may be interested in keeping data in-house. The add-on plugin, also known as the Enterprise Extension, is installed in addition to the main plugin. It uses local binaries to perform all PDF operations directly on your web server. Some users will not be able to use the Enterprise Extension plugin due to hosting their WordPress installation with hosting providers that have a very restrictive hosting environment. When the main plugin is initially installed, it configures itself by requesting a new API key from the PDF.Ninja API server. You can find your key on the integration page under the Contact Form 7 menu in WordPress admin. The integration page will also tell you if Enterprise Extension is supported on your server. The PDF.Ninja API has a free tier and a pro tier. The default tier for a new key is free. If you like the plugin, please consider upgrading your key. Installing the Enterprise Extension can be done by uploading its zip file on the Add Plugins page. The zip file can be obtained from the Maximum.Software store. The Enterprise Extension has a built-in update functionality, which seamlessly integrates with the WordPress plugin update feature. Once you have the plugins installed, you will later be able to update them directly from the WordPress admin interface by clicking the Update button on the plugins page. This concludes the video tutorial. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the plugin forum linked below. Happy PDF filling!